Hey there, fellow coffee enthusiasts. I see you're here to explore the fascinating world of coffee business. You've chosen a path that resonates with the aroma of freshly ground beans and the allure of brewing success. Let's take this journey together, step by step. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about topics designed to help save your new business time and money. First things first. Did you know that more than 150 million people in the US drink coffee every day? Yes, the love for coffee is immense and it's only growing. So how does one start a coffee business? Picture this. It's a crisp morning and you have the perfect space in mind. It could be a cozy corner in the bustling city streets or a serene spot amidst a park. Now, how to transform this space into a coffee haven? Let's find out. Step 1. Research is your best friend. Dive deep into understanding your target audience. Learn about the latest trends, consumer preferences, and what makes a coffee shop tick in your preferred location. Don't forget to keep tabs on your competition. Moving to step 2, crafting a unique business plan. Imagine the flavors, the ambiance, and the experience you want to offer. Then, blend in the numbers, the budget, and the marketing strategies. Yes, we are building a recipe for success. Next comes step 3, finding the perfect beans. Experiment with various beans and brewing methods until you find that perfect blend that is both unique and delightful. The secret is to create a cup of coffee that speaks to the soul. Step 4 is all about ambiance. Visualize a space that resonates with warmth and comfort, a place where people can unwind and connect. And finally, always strive to offer impeccable service. Friendly smiles, attentive ears, and a comforting cup of coffee can turn a one-time visitor into a loyal customer. I know starting a business might seem a bit overwhelming, but remember, every great venture starts with a single step. And with more than 50% of the population drinking coffee daily, your potential to brew success is immense. To get your coffee business's licensing and registration set up quicker, please visit legalregistration.com, or you're welcome to begin the process over the phone by dialing 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion on the steps in this video? Which one seems the most challenging to you? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your new business.